Hi folks, this is the fourth video in the series describing my progress learning to fly my Aerolite 103 Bluebird ultralight aircraft. So tighten your seatbelt and come with me on this exciting journey. You can back to the left a little bit. Yes. How's it look there, Wild Bill?
No wind, beautiful. There's fog off of the east a little bit.
Okay. Now, after completing the updates on my Aerolite 103, it is time to get Bluebird in the air. Clear prop. My safety process of getting Bluebird up in the air required the following: a fully functional Aerolite 103, pre-flight inspected before each flight, flight conditions, fair weather, winds less than 5 miles an hour, daylight only, cockpit, safety harness, eye protection, and radio communications. My first steps were to become proficient with the basic controls of the Aerolite as its ground and airspeed increases from fast taxi to takeoff. Clear prop. This involves proper coordination of throttle, rudder pedals, yaw, yoke, pitch, and aileron roll. I start by taxiing to the airstrip, using the rudder pedals to align Bluebird to point directly down the center of the airstrip while advancing the throttle. I slowly pull back on the yoke to reduce weight on the nose wheel and to rotate to the wheelie position. I repeat this process multiple times while increasing the airspeed until the main gear wheels were just above the ground. Then I slowly reduce the throttle while gently pushing the yoke forward to allow Bluebird to safely land. This process became crow hops. My fast taxi speed started at about 15 miles an hour and increased to about 45 miles an hour at takeoff. With each day, I continue to improve my skills and gain more confidence. I continued this practice to improve my proficiency for takeoffs and landings. My goal is to complete a full throttle engine takeoff, climb to cruise pattern altitude, and practice solo coordinated flights and landings. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear prop.
Okay, that's about all I can do.
Okay, very good. A couple of good flights there. Short, but good flights.
Yeah, well, I feel like if I can keep the short down well, then I'll be able to manage the just firewall.
Okay.
That's my plan. Anyway.
Sounds good.
Whitley Field, heading for landing here on runway 9, Whitley Field. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I appreciate your comments. Until next time, take care. Hi, folks. On my way. Getting dark. See you in a little bit here.